Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Facebook Messenger setting you should know. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Facebook application and I'm going to go to the Facebook Messenger by clicking on this icon on the top right. And then I'm going to show you some of the settings on Facebook. The first one, I'm going to show you how we can archive and unarchive chat on the Facebook Messenger. If you want to archive chat, you just need to select the chat you want to archive. For example, I'm going to archive the chat. So I'm going to tap and hold on it and we can simply click on archive thread like this. Okay, and now the chat has been archived and I'm going to practice it one more time. Tap and hold on the chat and then select archive. Okay, and if you want to unarchive the chat, you can go to the setting right here, tap on the setting icon, and then you're going to go to the archived chats. Okay, and you can choose the chat you want to unarchive. I'm going to unarchive this chat. You can tap and hold on it and then click on unarchive. And the chat will be back to the chat list. Okay, and the second one guys, I'm going to show you how we can turn off read receipt on our Facebook Messenger. If you want to turn off the read receipt, you just need to select the chat you want to turn off the read receipt on. I'm going to select this chat for example, and I'm going to click on the account's name, and here we'll be able to turn off the read receipts right here. Just click on that option and then you can click on this toggle button to turn it off. Okay, and now the read receipt has been turned off. And then the third one, I'm going to show you how we can customize the chat theme. I'm going to select one of my chat. Okay, this one again. And then if you want to customize the chat theme, you can tap on the account again like this and you're going to go to the theme. All right, and you will be able to choose the theme right here. It's like the theme that you like. I'm gonna go with, for example, this one. Okay, and then this is the preview of the theme. If you want to apply it to your room chat, you can click on select, and okay, now the theme has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all of the Facebook Messenger setting you should know. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!